Oh bus, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we have something very special we're going to cook on the Crossroad barbecue. Straight from my heart, mind the punt. We have a beautiful venison heart. Come and have a look closely and see this beautiful venison heart. And you might ask, what are we going to do with this on the Crossroad barbecue? Well, we're going to cook it in the pan, put it on the grill for the last couple of minutes and make a nice little sauce. And of course, Jack the Greek will have to add a little bit of Jack the Greek special at the end and make it Greek style. Where did we get this venison heart from? Well, the other day, Jack the Greek went out with his friend and grabbed the venison. So we've got some fantastic cooking coming up in the next few weeks. But of course, we have to let our beautiful venison hang for at least a week. We've had our heart and our kidneys and livers hanging as well. But today, we're going to cook something with the beautiful venison heart. I've cleaned it, and if you can see, I've opened it up just like that. So there's still a little bit more to go in cleaning it. And what we're going to do is we're going to make some beautiful venison steaks. And you'll be surprised how nice they'll come up at the end. So I'm just going to clean it up, just get all these hard sort of sections off it, a little bit of the fat on the outside of the heart. So we're just going to clean it up just like this. And you can see I'm sort of filleting it now and just making some smaller steaks like this and just finishing it off. Just taking that fat off as well, just there. So there's my first steak, beautiful, like that. And then with this one here, very similar. We clean it up, open it up, and then we'll just slice it just like this. And as you'll see, we're getting some beautiful steaks coming out of from our venison heart. There we are. So there are our two main steaks. We'll of course use this as well, and we'll cut that as well. You can see how thin I'm making it, and that will show you how this won't take hardly any time to cook. And this piece we can just leave there as well. So they're going to be our three pieces that we're going to cook on the Crossroad barbecue. Prepare our pan. Very simple. We're going to grab our olive oil, put a little bit in our pan, just like this, and place it straight into our Crossroad barbecue. That won't take long. That'll just take a couple of seconds, probably about not even a minute to warm up. In the meantime, we want to put a little bit of salt. Salt on our steak, just like this. Turn it over. And to keep it nice and even, you would have noticed I have been trying to slice it, and I'll probably just clean this up a little bit as well, just here, just to remove that, so it cooks nice. And what we'll do is we're going to use, just there, we're going to use our pan to make a little sauce at the end, because you're going to be asking me, what is this Johnny Walker Black Label doing here? Well, that's going to be our little special treat at the end when we place it in the pan and we make this nice little butter and scotch sauce. And I'll show you how we do that towards the end. So there we have it. We've got our salt and pepper, and now it's time to just clean up a little bit just here and start preparing our pan. Coming close, and it should be ready straight now. There we have it. So we've got our pan. There we go. Beautiful. Just like that there. There's our two bits there. And just to experiment, to do something different, I'm going to place one on the grill next to it as well. So we're going to get a combination today. For the first time, Jack the Greek is cooking his venison heart. We're going to try it in the pan, and we're going to try it on the grill as well. We're back in about 3 or 4 minutes to see how it's going. Okay. Now, and you'll see how our beautiful heart steaks are going. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. And let's have a look at the one on the grill. That should be just about ready as well. There we go. Look at that. Turning that over. We've got all our 4 burners on low on the Crossroad barbecue. And leave that there for another 2 or 3 minutes. And we're ready to plate it up and make our sauce with Johnny Walker Black Label. Okay. My last step, I'm just going to place all the venison hearts just on the grill, just like that. And I'm going to use my pan. And you can see here, I've got a little bit of the juice as I've been cooking with the beautiful olive oil. And what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of Johnny Walker. And watch this. There we go. Beautiful. And what that is going to do, it's called a reverse glaze. And what it's going to do is take everything off the bottom of the pan, and we're going to make a beautiful little sauce while our hearts are just finalising there. There we go. Look at that. See? Clean the pan. Beautiful. We'll get rid of some more of the alcohol. We'll add a little bit more butter. And we'll make a beautiful glaze to complement our venison. And there we have it. That will just sit there and it will melt. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. So now we're ready. We'll grab our beautiful hearts. Just put them here. Just like this. We'll give them a couple of seconds. And you can see the difference here. The one that we fried and the one that we grilled. It is all about testing different cooking types today. And then we're going to glaze it with our beautiful butter and Johnny Walker Scotch. You can see now a beautiful glaze is ready to go. It's thickened up a little bit and it's just about ready to put onto our beautiful venison hearts. So let me just go back here. We've let our beautiful venison rest for a couple of minutes. So let's just slice it up now. And this is how I would be slicing it. Just like this. Beautiful thin slices. Like that. Look at that. Beautiful. Cooked on the Crossray barbecue all the way through. Beautiful. Look at that. And what we're going to do is just plate it up here. Just here. Beautiful. There we go. There we go. And of course, our other piece here, we'll cut that up as well. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful venison heart. And we're putting our pieces just like this. Opa. Beautiful. There we have it. And let's not forget the one that we put on the grill. I can hear our beautiful sauce. Just lift that up. Just there. That's ready to go. And there we go. Look at this one. Beautiful. Even the grilled version has produced some beautiful venison heart fillets. There we go. So there's two options. You can obviously complement it with some beautiful salt, pepper, and oregano, a little bit of lemon as well, just like this. And this is a mezze that you would take outside to feed the family or some guests when they come over. And we're going to just cut a little bit of chili as well, just like this, to put on our beautiful venison, just like that. And we can't forget our sauce. Grab that from the back, and there we have it. A beautiful sauce, just like this. I can smell the scotch, like that. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, just like that. Just like a bit of a layer of juice. That's the kind of sauce we're looking for. Just there, beautiful. And we'll put that away, just there. Put that aside, and there we have it. Our beautiful venison chili, and of course we can't forget our lemon. We're going to put a little bit of lemon on there as well. You always should have a little bit of lemon. Squeeze the rest on, just like that. I'm cutting up now my final ingredient that I'm going to add. Oh, a little bit of the wind, which is my freshly grown parsley, my mother-in-law, to add there as well. So we'll put our oil away. Thanks to our friends at Aegean. We'll put away also our pan. We'll tidy up and clean up wherever we can. And again, a beautiful experiment, all cooked on the Crossray barbecue by Jack the Greek. Venison Heart, cooked on the Crossray barbecue by Jack the Greek, with a beautiful taste of Black Label Johnny Walker Scotch juice to top it off.